Data validation in date. First, I will write the start date, which is 2024 January 2014, and it would be 2024 August 30. Now, I will apply the data validation. So, I will go to data, and then here data validation in date. I will let start date is 2024 January 1st to 2024 August 30. Now in this cell, if I write date which is outside from this range, then it will show error. But first I will write the date which is in range. So 2024 February 25. So yeah, it it's done. But if I write 2024, like this date is out of range, so it will show error. Yeah, it's showing error. So this is called date validation.